Having a dedicated creative space to escape to is always a very inviting call to action. Hi everyone, this is Michelle. I love to visit other people's creative spaces, whether it's a studio space, maybe the garage, a workbench, even the kitchen table, because there is always something to learn. And people who create are always very generous with the tips that they have to share. And I'm going to share with you a couple of my favorites today that I have learned along the way. I like to call these my workshop helpers. And the first is, this is a pair of tabletop sawhorses, a smaller version of a sawhorse, manageable, easy to store, great for smaller scale projects that you're going to be working on or fixing. They set up on your tabletop surface nicely and easy to build. You need one 2x4 and you're going to cut off the legs for your sawhorse, and you'll see I've notched out the bottom here to create the feet, and then a notch at the top that fits the 2x4 that sits nice and tight on the top. Put a little wood glue in there, a couple of screws on the bottom, and you do it twice and you have yourself a set of tabletop sawhorses as well. Very handy to have. Also, these are non-skid boosters, and these are great to have on your work surface if you want to prop things up, if you're painting and doing things that you do not want to shift on you, because we've used some of this non-skid matting or shelf liner, and we've attached them to some just wooden blocks. So I usually like to make them in sets of 4. So 4 equally sized wooden blocks. Cut out your matting and glue it to the top and the bottom of your block. It's as easy as that. I also like to have on hand rolls of this paint masking paper that you can get at any home improvement store. It's very inexpensive, and it's great to cover your work surfaces with, because it of course will protect your work surface, and you can also be taking notes and measurements and kind of documenting things as you go along. So these are a few of my favorite workshop helpers that I find myself using all the time. I hope you find them helpful too. Take any of the ideas and run with them.